We are pleased to show you the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.